welcome back to my channel. So I'm really sorry I haven't posted a video in a while. I think my last video was probably over a week ago, so I'm really sorry, but I'm back here today with an exciting video because we're gonna do an expensive haul. I have two bags to unbox. So there's one from the new Dior men's collection as well as the new Louis Vuitton Virgil Abloh. And then I also want to open up this guy together with you. It is the KAWS Passing Through. So this is not actually new. It came out sometime last year, but I don't actually have one and I picked one up recently. So I'm going to open this together with you guys. And I feel like I'm rambling a lot. Oh, and I just want to say thank you to everyone who has entered the giveaway in my mystery unboxing video. So many of you guys entered and I wish I could pick more than 2 winners, but then I've already contacted the winners. So if you received an email or a DM on Instagram from me, that means you've won. So I'm gonna get all that sorted. I'll ship out your gifts as soon as possible. But yeah, if you guys love giveaways, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up so that I'll know to do more. And I would love to do that actually because I just want to give back to you guys. I'm gonna stop rambling. Let's just go ahead and unbox this. So I'm gonna start off with the one from Dior. So it comes in this box here. And what I got is a bag, as I mentioned before. This is part of the new Kim Jones collection. So I don't know about you guys, but when I saw the runway for the Spring Summer 19 collection, I was like so hyped for it because Kim Jones is his first collection where Kim Jones is the creative director for Dior, and then it also involves KAWS from KAWS, you guys know I love KAWS, and then also Yoon from Ambush is the jewelry designer, and then Matthew Williams from Oblique had a part to do with all the hardware of some of the bags. So the whole collection in general I loved. I loved everything. It's just speaking to me, you know, so I was hyped for this collection to be available in stores. Now I have the bag over here. It comes in a black dust bag, and what I got, and I bought this yesterday by the way. If you guys followed me on Instagram, then you probably already know that I got this messenger bag in the Oblique print. So it also comes in all black leather, a navy as well as a brown one. So I was kind of deciding if I should get the black leather one or this one, but then I decided on this. I went to the Dior store like 2 days in a row. I went to the men's Dior store in Chatston. I think that's the only one in Melbourne that stocks the collection because all the other Dior store are women's store. And yeah, I'm just super happy with this bag. Look at it! It's so pretty. The pricing though, it's so expensive, okay? Anyway, this tiny bag was 2,800 Australian dollars. So not gonna lie, I do think this is on the very steep side. All the other colorways, which is just full leather, cost the same as well. And even though this one is a fabric, it's still 2.8K, which I think is very steep. But because I wanted something from this collection so badly that I decided to go for this. As you guys know, the Oblique print is very in trend right now. I hate that word, but it's back in style. I remember back in the day, like the saddle bag actually debuted in 2000. That was when John Galliano was the creative director for Dior Women's, and they've never actually done a men's saddle bag. So I think it's quite cool that Kim Jones looked into the archive of Dior and sort of brought out certain aspects or design aspects that they've used in the past and incorporated into the new collection. I actually love the Dior Oblique sneakers as well, and I actually pre-ordered it already, but it hasn't arrived. I think at this moment I'm team Dior and I just want everything from the collection, but you know, everything be so expensive. Also, can I just add that this store looks really cute in terms of the VM. They have this KAWS figurine at the front of the store, kind of like a mini version of the one you saw on the runway with all the roses. They have a mini version in store, which I think is so cute. And yeah, everything from the collection, I think it's really nice. I don't know how other people feel about it if you're not into KAWS. I would say some of the graphics are quite fun. They're a little bit more youthful compared to the previous, you know, the B is quite classic for the men's Dior collection. By the way, I'm just taking off this tag. It just says Christian Dior Boutique and that's just the price. Anyway, I feel like I'm rambling a lot. I'm really sorry. As you guys can tell, I'm just really excited about this collection. I wanted to buy a few other pieces, but man, everything's so expensive. If you guys haven't seen that t-shirt, I'm sure you have. It says Dior and with a little B over here, it's like 900 something Australian dollars if I'm not mistaken, and I was like what? Anyway, it sold out when I was in the store. Back to the bag. So here you have the little messenger bag. I think it's really cute, and the size I feel is just right for me. I tried the other saddlebags, but I feel like they're a little bit too large, and I love having something this size. Having said that though, it doesn't actually fit a lot of things because it is quite slim. So over here, when you open it up, it doesn't have a lot of room to stretch. So if you're someone who carries a lot of stuff around with you, it may not be suitable for you, but for me, I just really bring my phone and a wallet and keys, and so this is sufficient for me. And the front here, there is a little pouch with a zip, so I'll just open this up, and it's very shallow, so you could probably put your keys or like a lip balm in here or something. So, but I think the overall, the design aspect is really nice. I love that it has the leather detailing as well as the canvas. I think it's a good mix. The oblique print again is super on trend at the moment. I just can't think of a better word, but I actually don't like that word, on trend. Another detail which I think is pretty cool about the bag is that the straps are detachable. So if you don't want to carry it as a crossbody bag, you can always just remove the straps and carry it as a clutch. And for some reason, I feel like even though this is part of the men's collection, I think it can be quite feminine as well. I think because of the oblique print. I couldn't decide if I wanted to get the oblique print or the black leather one. I feel like the black leather one is a lot more timeless and it's not as loud as this one. You know, I feel like this one you're like, okay, it's Dior, and the black one is more low-key, and I don't know whether I made the right decision. I think it's quite cute though, and if you guys follow me on Instagram, you guys would have known that I just couldn't decide. I'm pretty decisive when it comes to things, but I don't know, I was just not very good this time, but I ended up with this one, and I think I made the right choice. And another feature on the back is, on the back here, you can see that there are two belt loops here. So you can actually wear this as a waist bag as well. Just put your own belt through it and then wear it on your hips, which I think is really nice, on your waist rather. And I think it will look really cool. I think the size is perfect for me. It's not too big. As you guys can see, I'm not very tall, so I feel like this size is perfect. But again, keep in mind, it is quite a slim bag. So if you're someone who has a lot of stuff to carry around, this would probably be too small for you. But yeah, I'm just overall super happy with this bag. There is the Christian Dior over here on the straps, as well as on the silver hardware, there's just like a Dior embossing. So I hope I will get a lot of use out of this bag. It's been a while since I paid so much for one particular item, but I'm really happy with it. I'm so glad. There's also some other pieces that I want to pick up from the collection, but I'm just waiting for them to get it in store because they haven't received everything. So if I do pick up anything else, I'll let you guys know. Anyway, let's move on to the next thing. So this is the Louis Vuitton, and as you guys know, Virgil Abloh is now the creative director for Louis Vuitton, and this is his first collection with the brand. Just like the Dior collection, I've been like really hyped because again, it's like a, how do I say, not a fresh start, but you know what I mean. It's like a new designer in charge, so we all expect to see something fresh, something new. And so I'm just gonna open this up. By the way, this bag is actually not mine, so this belongs to Jason. If you guys seen my previous vlogs, then you know that Jason is always in my vlogs, and he actually pre-ordered this from the Louis Vuitton store. And when I went to pick it up 2 days ago, I asked the lady if they had anything else, because I'm kind of interested in all the white leather goods, but they were completely sold out. I'm like team late on this. They dropped the new Virgil Abloh stuff probably 2 or 3 days ago, but I didn't have time to go to the store, that's why. One of the items I'm interested in is the all white utility bag, but that one is like 4K. Why? What is up with these prices? Anyway, I'm just gonna open this up. So what I have here is, wow, it actually looks bigger than I thought. So he already told me what it is inside. It is the messenger bag, but it's called the Polochon? I don't know how to pronounce this. Polochon? Anyway, it's that sausage looking bag, and here it is. So Jason paid $2,540 for this. There you go, this is the bag, and you guys can see it is the classic Louis Vuitton monogram. It has the black detailing, and then obviously the key feature would be this orange, like neon orange matte chain link. I think it's quite a nice color to go in contrast with the monogram. So I'm just gonna open this up. It's my first time seeing this bag. And in here, there's also a strap. So it's a black strap and it has, again, the neon orange detailing. So you can obviously wear this on... How do you strap this on? Oh my god, am I dumb? Wait, so I'm pretty sure you can wear this like crossbody. Ah, alright. So there are little belt loops here. So I'm assuming you... I'm assuming you put this through here. Should I Google images of this to know what's happening right now? I think so. And then you do something like that, alright? I'm just gonna say you put it through here and then you can wear it as a crossbody bag. I'm not gonna try this on, but again, it looks actually quite big. Bigger than I expected. Let me just put this box down. So that's this bag, and then that's the mini messenger bag. So you guys can tell this is pretty big. You can obviously fit a lot more things. It's a lot more spacious and it is quite soft. So I don't know how it would be if you had things in it. I've seen people carrying it and it does like flatten. So it does look quite nice. It has a little orange accent, so you know this is the Virgil Abloh collection. I think it's really cool, but again, I think people have their opinions on this collection. I personally do quite like it, but I'm really into the all white leather stuff. But everything's sold out. And then also they had this like plastic holographic huge duffel bag. I actually love it. I know a lot of people were hating on it, but I actually love it. Back to this bag. I didn't show you what's inside. So if you open it up, that's all that's inside. There's not actually any compartments. It's just like one space. I think this would be more suitable for someone like taller. So obviously Jason is a lot taller than me, so this would definitely look good on him. You know, I had this dilemma, like if I were to buy one bag, whether I wanted to buy something from the new Louis Vuitton Virgil Abloh collection or if I wanted to buy like the Dior Kim Jones. And you know what decided it for me? When I went to the Louis Vuitton store and I asked the lady if I could see a few things, she was like, everything is sold out. And I'm like, all right, the decision has been made. There's nothing in the Louis Vuitton store for me to buy anyway. So that's why I went to Dior and they had still a few items and they said they haven't received like the full collection and they're coming in waves. So the next time they get a drop is the 9th of February at the Chadson store. So if you guys are interested, you should definitely check it out. But yeah, there we have it. We have our two bags that we've unboxed. Alright, the last thing we have is this KAWS passing through, and I actually got this from Kick STW. I followed them on Instagram and then they posted this on their story saying someone had consigned it and the price was really good. So I was like, I need it, so I bought it straight away without thinking. I paid like $300 something, almost $400 for this, but I think it's quite a good price. There you go, this is the guy. I can't wait. You know, if I could, I want to buy like all the KAWS things, but again, they're so expensive. Why is everything so expensive? Oh, he's so cute. Alright, gonna remove him from his little plastic tray. And then they just have some plastic pieces on his hands. But look at him, he's actually really, really cute. As you guys can see on the feet, you can see the KAWS 18 Open Edition and Medicom Toy China. Compared to the BFF, you guys can see he's pretty tiny. But I think it'll be a cute addition to sit like at my computer table. So I'm not complaining, I think he's so cute. And yeah, I think that's pretty much it for my haul today, guys. I was actually gonna include a few more things. I had like some perfume that I wanted to talk about, but I don't know if you guys would be interested in that. Let me know if you care about perfume. I've been like on this weird perfume addiction. It's not even funny. So I've just been on this hunt and I just keep wanting to buy perfumes. Anyway, I'm rambling a lot now. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. And again, the giveaway winners have been contacted. Thank you again for entering the giveaway. And also let me know in the comments below what videos you want to see from me, because I'm kind of running out of ideas. There hasn't been any good releases lately in terms of sneakers. They will be doing the Yeezy creams, and it's going to be like super GR this time around. Every single store is going to have them, so I'm not going to do a video about them because we all seen what they look like. I thought of doing like a cleaning and care video. Would you guys be interested in that? Let me know in the comments below. And also, I thought about doing vlogs again. I used to do a lot of vlogs, but I don't know if you guys actually like that, but I actually like filming vlogs, so let me know as well. And yeah, I think that's pretty much it for me today. I hope you guys are having a really good day wherever you are. I'm gonna tidy the place up now because I made a mess. There's just stuff everywhere. And yeah, make sure you subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will see you guys really soon. Bye. I've been like sitting really weird and now my leg hurts. You guys, it's actually so hot today. Do you know, it's like 39 degrees outside, so I'm so glad. Oh my god, his hands can move. Look, wait, can you see this? It's moving slightly. You know, I haven't actually tested what can fit in this bag, so I think we're gonna do it now. As you guys can see, it's a pretty small bag. So I use a iPhone 7 Plus, and I'm just gonna pop it in here. That looks full. Ready? Let me get my wallet and see if it fits. My wallet is this Gucci one over here. It is like the smallest one that they have. For some reason, I just like small things, and I just want my wallet to be really compact. I'm not about that like huge wallet life anymore. Like back in the day, I used to want like those really long ass wallets, but now I just want something super compact, and that's why I want to get the Dior card holder because I think it's so cute and it will fit perfectly in this bag. So I'm gonna put this, can you guys see? So I'm gonna put this in here, and it looks full, and then with my keys I think we should be set. And there you go. Oh, alright. And then I'm gonna go out now and buy like bubble tea or something. Yeah. Okay, bye guys.